Hello everyone, welcome to Literature Insights. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn about the Scriblerus Club. So let's get started. The Scriblerus Club was an informal association of authors based in London that came together in the early 18th century. The group was founded in the year 1714 and it lasted until the death of its founders, finally ending in the year 1745. The prominent members of this group were Jonathan Swift, Alexander Pope, John Gay, John Arbuthnot, Henry St. John, Thomas Parnell, and Robert Harley. You must remember these names by heart because in the exam you might get a question like who of the following is a member of the Scriblerus Club or who is not a member of the Scriblerus Club. So keep in mind these names. Let's learn about some additional details about this club. The aim of the Scriblerus Club was to satirize and criticize literary, cultural and social pretensions, focusing on the absurdities of the modern learning and scholarly pedantry. The group also created a figure called Martinus Scriblerus, who they called a learned fool, and with the help of whom they parodied the excesses and follies of scholarship and pedantry. The Memoirs of Martinus Scriblerus is the most direct product of the club's collaborations. There is an English poet called Richard Owen Cambridge. He wrote a mock epic poem, The Scribleriad, where the hero is Martinus Scriblerus, and Henry Fielding has written a play called The Welsh Opera, which is presented as a tribute to the Scriblerians, and Fielding's pen name was Scriblerus Secundus. I have told you about the names of the members of the group like Jonathan Swift, Pope, Gay, Arbuthnot, Henry St. John, Thomas Parnell and Robert Harley. But Robert Harley is the Earl of Oxford and Mortimer. He occasionally joined the club for meetings, but he has not contributed to the club anything literary, right? And one more thing, the second edition of Pope's The Dunciad, it also contains works attributed to Martinus Scriblerus. So that's it for the Scriblerus Club. I'll be coming up with more concept videos. Stay tuned for that. Thank you very much for watching.